Hello and welcome to today's video. Today let's discuss MSOE-003, that is Sociology of Religion. The main section in this portion is different perspective of religion by different thinkers, just like we did in education, and conversions in religion. So in this video we'll be discussing the basic introduction of what religion is, and then in future videos we'll be discussing the remaining parts. So without much ado, let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then please do and support. Thank you. Ever since the beginning of life on earth, human beings were thinking about one thing. What is the meaning of life? Right? Even now, that's a quest going on between us. What's the meaning of life? What's the purpose of life? And religion is something that came into human society as a part of this quest, claiming that religion will give you the solution for this. So, വർഷങ്ങളായിട്ട് ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീങ്സിനിടയിൽ ഒരു ഡിബേറ്റബിൾ ടോപ്പിക്കാണ് റിലീജിയൻ. ഇതെങ്ങനെ വന്നു എന്നുള്ളതിനൊരു വ്യക്തമായ ഐഡിയ നമുക്കില്ല. പക്ഷേ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് മെൻറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് it is believed that religion came into the society as an answer for their quest. What about finding out the meaning of their life or to find the purpose of their life. It is claimed that religion will give you a solution for this. Even though it's a debatable topic, we don't know if it is true or not, but many people, even in this century and even today, many people believe that religion is an answer for that. And through religion, you will find a meaning for your life. So for an actual definition, we can quote it as, for centuries, humankind has sought to understand and explain the meaning of life. Religion, in one form or the other, has been found in all human societies since human societies first appeared. And it is believed that religion is a concept in the society that gives you an answer to your question, what's the meaning of life? Also, many thinkers believe that to understand a society or to understand the culture in a society, it is very important to study its religion, especially in a country like India, where we have different cultures, different religion, different art forms. Social thinkers or just say that it's very important to understand the religion first, to understand the culture, because each religion contributes too much to the different cultures in a society, right? For example, if there is a Christianity, they will be contributing some factors into the society, some culture related stuffs into the society, right? Related to their church, whether it's Christian Christmas celebration or their Easter celebrations like Easter egg hunt. Or if it's a Hindu culture, for example, recently there are Navratri celebrations, the different art forms that's originated from it. Or if it is a Muslim religion, the Bakrid or the Muharram that they celebrate, the kind of culture that it gives to the society, or the building construction style that had in the Mughal times. So all these are a part of that religion. I mean, the colors, the texture they use, all these things comes from their holy book, or one way or the other it comes from their religion. So what sociologists say that to understand the culture of a society, it's very important to understand the religion first. Study of religion in a culture helps us to understand the role of religion plays in people's life and the way it influences the society. That's what we just said earlier. When we study the religion, it helps us to understand the culture, and in a way it helps us to understand how the religion plays an important role in controlling the individual's life or the society as such. Here you can also mention some of the religion that you are aware of, like Hinduism, Christianity, Muslim, Jain, Sikh, Buddhism. You can mention all these religion in this basic definition of religion as an example. So we can conclude with a good definition for religion as, religion is a social, cultural system of designated behaviors and practices, moral beliefs, worldviews, text, sanctified places, prophecies, ethics, or organization that relates humanity to supernatural, transcendental, and spiritual elements. However, there is no scholarly consensus over what precisely constitutes a religion. So it's a definition actually that we know, but still there are no evidences or a strong written proof where we can verify it or we can prove it. So this is the basic definition of religion. I mean, it's like a social thing which constitutes to the moral values, to the world views. It has written holy texts. It has prophecies. It will give you a value of ethics. It will give you some value to like holiness towards the thing you do. It will give you about a future references to like what your future will be like. It's kind of a prophecy that it will teach you. So all these are included in a particular way such that it connects the human values to a supernatural, something that we haven't seen yet. For example, God. It connects us with God, something supernatural that we don't know or we don't know if it exists or not. But still we believe it because that's what religion makes you feel. So that's the basic definition. You can write it down and you can learn it as a definition, and it will help you to score good marks in your exam when they ask you about religion. So that's it. Thank you. So we'll discuss the perspectives of different thinkers on religion and the conversions in our upcoming videos. So that's it for this section. I hope you understood what I meant. If you have any doubt, please comment your doubts in the comment box. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends. I mean, if they find it helpful, it will be useful for them. So please share it with them as well. Thank you.